perform this asana, lie down on your stomach, hold both your ankles and start to pull your ankles and lift your body up. If you look up, it'll help you go even higher. So the aim is to be on our stomach, our whole chest, everything till the point of ribs should be up in the air.
Begin to lie down on your back and place your heels as close as possible to your butt and hold your ankles. Make sure your thumb is outside, and when you're ready, slowly inhale and lift your hips all the way up. So try and reach as high as possible, but your breath should be in the normal range, and stay here for a couple of deep breaths. You want to release the posture, exhale, gently put your hips down to the mat and relax in Shavasana.
We're going to start with any cross leg position. You can either start with a Padmasana. If you're absolutely not comfortable with Padmasana, you can start either with Siddhasana or any comfortable cross leg position, or sit on a chair. The only condition is here is you're seated upright. Your back is straight, your shoulders rotated back, your chest is nice and open, your chin is slightly tucked down. Keep your hands on your knees. For this pranayama practice, we're going to take your right hand, fold the first two fingers. So the last two fingers will help to close the left nostril. The thumb will help you close the right nostril. So now we're going to take the breath in through one nostril. We hold the breath in for a few seconds and we'll take the breath out to the opposite nostril. And then we take the breath from that opposite nostril, hold the breath in and to the other nostril. So let's try and see how we can do this. So close your right nostril first. You can do this with your eyes closed. Inhale, slowly take the breath through your left. Hold the breath in, close both your nostrils. As you exhale, you're going to take the breath out through your right. Right inhale. Hold. Left exhale. Make this inhale and exhale 3 seconds long minimum. Inhale for 3 seconds. Hold the breath for 3. Exhale for 3. Inhale for 3, right side. Hold the breath in. And exhale for 3, left side. One more round, left inhale. Hold the breath. And right exhale. Last time, right inhale. Hold. And left exhale. You release your hands. You do this pranayama with your eyes closed. You can immediately feel that your mind calms down. So this pranayama practice not only helps to cleanse your nostril, but also helps to calm your mind. It works both with our body and mind, and prana is the key between this body and our mind. So every time you take a breath, you try to lengthen your breath for 3 seconds. Even if you're walking, you're talking, you're moving, try and make your breath slow and steady. That will help you to gain more energy to do a very full-fledged pranayama practice. Let's say 20 minutes of pranayama practice, an advanced level practice. You need to have at least 3 seconds long inhale, 3 seconds long exhale. And this Nadi Shodhana pranayama will help you to prepare your body and mind to sit for a pranayama practice.
Stretch your legs out, extend your legs, extend your spine, get comfortable, and then slowly fold your left leg in and bring your right leg over your left leg. Make sure you're sitting comfortably, the spine straight, shoulders relaxed. Now bring your left hand from behind you and then take the right hand and lock it with your left palm. Open out your chest and look up and breathe comfortably. You can stay in this pose for as long as you're comfortable holding this posture. And to come out of this posture, simply release the lock, stretch your hand up and bring it down. And now repeat the same thing on the other side. Bring your right foot in, bring your left foot over your right, and this time bring your right hand from underneath and the left hand from behind and lock. And then to come out of the posture, release the lock, stretch your hands to the sides and come down.
Now gently begin to sit in Vajrasana with your knees slightly wide apart, and slowly inhale, lift your arms all the way up, creating length in your spine, and begin to come into child's pose. Now basically just relax yourself once you're ready. Inhale, slide your body all the way forward so that your butt comes all the way up in the air and your chest is touching the mat, so it creates a lot of room for your shoulders to open up, and just keep on breathing. So your breath is really important in the posture. And once you want to release the posture, inhale, slide your arms all the way back and relax in child's pose.